Good afternoon, it's Jeremy here. I'm going to be showing you my top design bundle sites where you can get some pretty good deals on some products and stuff like that. And here we go. So the first one is Design Cuts. This is my favorite one that I've actually bought about 3 bundles on, and I'm always looking for the right bundle. Obviously I don't just go spend my money all the time, but I'm looking at particular things. But you can see they've even got products on here, which is pretty interesting. But the main thing you want to worry about is the bundles. They're just really high quality, and the support from Tom Ross and his team are really awesome. But you can see the value that you get, like it's so good, and it's worth the money. You only pay like usually $30 for a pack that's worth $1,000, $2,000, and it's really worth the money. And you can see here, like the price for this pack is like $7 grand, but you're getting it for like $30, which is like crazy value. The second one is Creative Market. And most of you know that I sell products in here as well, so you can go check out my shop. But you can see here there's a lot of products, but they also do bundles now. So typically you can see I'm on the popular on the first part of the site, and you can see here there's a lot of bundles. Like there's a bundle here for a typography kit. There's a bundle for like clothes and stuff, even a font bundle here, which is really cool. So definitely check out Creative Market. I recommend it. And also, yeah, you can check out my shop if you want to see some of the products. Maybe you don't know that I have some texture packs and logos and brushes, all for Illustrator mainly. And yeah, so if you're interested in that stuff, you can go check it out on my profile. A decent one is My Design Deals. These guys are pretty good as well. You can see here they got plenty of different types of bundles, textures, different effects, floral stuff, templates, PowerPoint bundle. Like, yeah, they're pretty decent, so you can definitely check them out. And you can see they got mockups and stuff like that, so they're pretty cool. Another one is Mighty Deals as well. You can see they got a font bundle right now for $9. That's pretty cheap, so you're getting it for a decent price on this site. You can see he got some other little products and toolkits and stuff like that. So yeah, this is another interesting one that you can go on. And another cool one I like is Pixel Surplus. This is mainly a shop for fonts, but they have this really cool bundle called the All-Star Font Bundle. And like the fonts in here are really good quality. So you're getting it, and it's a mix. It's like over 100 fonts. Like you can see, I like this type of style. It's like retro, a bit of vintage. It's got some mixed ones as well. You got sans serif, script fonts. You get some really cool fonts in here. So I'll put a link to that in the description as well, so you can check that out. And they also have a few other ones as well. They have another font bundle. Yeah, they got the All-Star, and they got a couple other ones here. So you can get, if you want more elegant fonts, you can click that. But yeah, those are like the top bundle sites that I would shop at, and you get value for your money, so it's really worth it. And so yeah, leave a comment below, let me know if this video was helpful or not, and don't forget to subscribe because I post content every week on design, and hit that bell button as well so you get notifications on when I'm putting out new videos. I'm trying to post more out. I'm trying to do a couple videos a week, so you guys can get that knowledge and learn those skills and understanding, so you can grow in the creative industry. So yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'm about to hit the gym, so I'll catch you next time.